Friends, in this video we will discuss black cumin seed. It is a cure for every disease as it strengthens the immunity system that is responsible for curing diseases and combating viruses. Friends, it has been said to cure everything except for death. Let us discuss black cumin seed. Friends, let us prepare black cumin seed tea. We will put about 4 glasses of water in a heating jug. When it boils, we will add black cumin seed in it. These seeds of greatness black seed contain over 100 active chemical compounds that may increase health. Let us add 1 teaspoon of black cumin seed powder in this boiling water. As it boils, we will discuss its health benefit. There are 3 ingredients in this black cumin seed. First is crystalline nigellone, well researched for increasing immune function, especially respiratory health. Second ingredient is thymoquinone. It is researched for cancer treatment. Third ingredient found is beta sitosterol. It is highly researched for gallstones, urinary or prostate health, cancer, and cholesterol reduction. In between, we have added 1 teaspoon of black cardamom powder and 1 teaspoon of honey. Till it boils, let us discuss. These black seed contains good fats. They are oleic acid, poly and mono unsaturated fatty acids, including omega 3, omega 6, and omega 7. It also contains protein, 8 of 9 essential amino acids that are combined to make whole protein. These black seeds also have vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, folic acid, calcium, iron, copper, zinc, and phosphorus. These organic black seed oil is a very powerful antiviral and antibacterial remedy, with several recent studies showing that black seed can reduce even virulent strains of Salmonella and other bacteria that are becoming resistant to antibiotics. It may also be helpful for viral illness as serious as HIV. Friends, this potent oil even has a patent for its antibacterial effects, which are said to be due to its unique ingredient called thymoquinone. Friends, a unique ingredient, as I discussed, crystalline nigellone and thymoquinone. They both knock out invading virus and destructive renegade molecules that may cause diseases from cancer or arthritis. Friends, these black seed is quickly becoming the herbal oil to watch with its anti-inflammatory compounds to reduce symptoms of asthma, hay fever, and eczema. This unique oil even has a medicinal patent for its asthma benefits. Organic black oil offers an easy way to take the herbal remedy that has been shown in research to reduce symptoms of allergic reactions that are shown on skin or in respiratory system. These black seed is a spice and a traditional herbal medicine used in various diseases including bronchial asthma. It also has traditional medical applications and considered to be characteristic traditional herbal medicine for diverse diseases in Unani, Arabic, prophetic, and Indian traditional medicines. Friends, asthma is a heterogeneous disease usually characterized by chronic airway inflammation. It is identified by history of respiratory systems such as wheeze, shortness of breath, chest tightness, and cough that vary over time and in intensity together with variable expiratory airflow. Asthma is initiated by multiple interactions between inflammatory cells and mediators. Tea is ready. Now we'll switch off flame. Let us cool it at room temperature. Then we'll strain, mix black seed oil in it and consume it. Hence, after an exposure to a triggering factor, inflammatory mediators are released from mast, macrophages, T cells, and epithelial cells. This causes attraction of other inflammatory cells, mainly eosinophil, into pulmonary tissues. These causes lung injury, mucus hypersecretion, and smooth muscle hyperactivity. Furthermore, at least 27 cytokines and 18 chemokines play a role in asthma pathophysiology. Clinical studies of these black seed oil and its preparations showed an improvement of asthma symptoms, control lung function, and asthma biomarkers. You can also mix black cumin seed powder with honey and consume it by mixing 3-4 drops of this black seed oil in it. It will help in bronchitis. To get more benefits, you can mix ginger juice also in it. Consuming this paste 3-4 times a day, you will get relief within 1 or 2 days. Friends, allergic asthma is an immune-driven inflammatory disease that is associated with the development of various structural alterations in airway wall and smooth muscles of blood vessels in lung tissues, collectively termed as lung remodeling. These black seed have attracted the interest of medical scientists very much. It is full of antioxidants and an alternative to other antibacterial, antiviral, or immune enhancing herbals. Please comment if you like this video, share to your friends. Thank you.